Hello and welcome back to the review, the Profit Boosting Bootcamp review, the Super Affiliate Network. Make money online, build a business online as soon as humanly possible. My name is Adam Shelton and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to watch all the other modules that we've done so far, module 1 through 5. So watch those module previews from this video channel. And don't forget, if you have not signed up, click on the link below in the description box. You want to sign up for the Super Affiliate Network, get in contact with your advisor, and then tell him or her you want to start the Profit Boosting Bootcamp so you can grow your business today or even start your business. Now, this review is all about finding your why, module 6. Module 6, finding your why. So when you get to this video page here in your training, watch this whole video carefully. Keisha Bass, she's an unbelievable entrepreneur. She talks about the finding your why process, starting your why. You know, you want to find that why. What gets you up in the middle of the night and start something, or what gets you up in the early in the morning to get you going as well. Finding your why keeps you going, gets you that motivation, gives you that inspiration for you can go ahead, start that business, make money online, and have that freedom lifestyle. Now, this video here, it's about 33 to 35 minutes long, but it's very, very powerful. And she's got some stories in there that's going to really make you think. She's going to talk about where she started from and then what she's currently doing now. And then also what gets her going. It's very good motivating, I'm telling you. If you want to watch this video completely, how to find your why for never-ending motivation and inspiration that's going to help your life and your business. Watch that completely. You will not be disappointed. Now, when you finish watching this, once again, you want to fill out that information at the bottom of this training. Now, you want to put in information here, your email address, and the information about your biggest takeaways. Once again, this information goes to your advisor. The advisor will talk about, the next steps, anything that you have concerns or questions about, and then he'll give you or she the next strategy that you need to go ahead and do. Now, what I want you to do, if you haven't already, click on the link below in the description box so you can go ahead and get things going and get things started. I know you're excited about that. Now, once again, for a review, watch that video, fill out the information bottom here where you can move on. Now, I'm going to tell you something. I watched this video, Finding Your Why, several times before I was able to really grasp the information and really understood exactly Finding Your Why is all about. Now, she's going to recommend some things that you do in there in terms of the training, so pay attention as well. Once again, my name is Adam Shelton. Thank you for watching this review, because I understand what it's like. Before you start something, you probably want to search for something that's going to talk about a particular subject or topic. And I think this topic here on Module 6 is important for your future, your life, your business, anything like that, because finding your why, whatever gets you going, if it's your spouse, your friend, a family member, or anything like that, that's going to be what's going to really set you apart than everybody else. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to watch all the modules up to here and then over. Actually, I'm going to move on to module 7 review, so stay tuned for that one as well. And then, of course, if you haven't signed up, click on the link below in the description box. Right now, sign up, get started with the Super Affiliate Network, where you can start learning how to make money online and get that freedom lifestyle. Absolutely. I'm Adam Shelton. I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time.